When our customers are happy, we are happy. And when they write to tell us why they are so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed with the customer service they received that they went online and left this review. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It is simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.